Hello you gorgeous peeps, this is Chris from TechSpert and I'm here with Parrot Anafi Extended. So the Anafi drone was originally launched back in June. It's a 4K HDR-ready drone, very smart stuff indeed, and now you can buy it in this extended edition. So let's take a look at what you actually get. So the first bonus of getting the extended edition is you get this lovely new carry case. The case itself is fantastic, it looks really nice and smart. It's got this lovely soft fabric finish to it. It looks very professional, just like a pro camera bag really. And also, oh my god, it smells so good. Oh yeah. As you can see, it comes with a shoulder strap. Otherwise, you can, of course, completely detach that if you don't want it. And just use the top handle instead. You can zip this thing and then prise it open. The drone itself actually sits in this lid part up here. It's held in there nice and snug. You've got a little button strap to hold it in place. Then all you need to do is just peel that back. And there is the actual drone itself. Just pop that aside for now. You've got plenty of padding in there, so it should stay nice and safe and secure, even if you're giving it a good old bashing around. So even though it's got this soft fabric finish, it does have a proper tough interior. As with the standard Anafi edition, you get the controller, of course. As before, that just pops open. You stick your smartphone in there. It's compatible with iPhones as well as Android devices, and then that's what you use to actually steer around the Anafi, and you'll get a full view of the action via the camera. Of course, the original Anafi, when you bought it, came with a single battery already installed, of course, but with the extended edition, you actually get two bonus batteries as well, as you can see here. Now, that's great news if you're going to be on the road all day long and you want to get pretty much continuous shooting out of your drone. You won't have to keep on hanging around waiting for your battery to charge. You'll have two basically ready to go at any one time. And if we lift up this little flap, there's some more goodies tucked away inside as well. So of course you've got your super quick start guide and then your not quite so quick guide as well, or flight safety guide as they term it. Basically, don't fly it into your face and you should be fine, or anyone else's face, I guess. This is in basically every language under the sun, so it's actually only about 2 pages long. Yeah, guess what? Don't fly near any airport or anything like that, you dumbass. Of course, you also have the USB Type-C charging cables. As you can see, you get 3 cables bundled in the extended edition, so you can get all of the batteries charging all at the same time. And in here, you also get some spare propellers too, just in case you accidentally knacker the pre-installed ones. So that just unfurls like so, and as you can see, handy little selection there and a little tool to fit them as well. Great stuff. So that's the differences with the extended edition. You get the bonus batteries and the awesome travel case. Besides that, it's basically the same. You get the drone itself, you get the controller, and there should be a 16 gig memory card installed in this thing as well. Okay, so the Parrot is all charged up, as is the controller, and now all you need to do is search for the Parrot Free Flight 6 app here on either the App Store or Google's Play Store. All of the terms of use, so many terms of use, yeah, I accept. All you need to do is flip this section out, and as you can see, the smartphone just fits neatly in there. As you can see, you need to obviously connect your smartphone to the controller itself using the standard charging cable so the two can communicate. So as you can see there on the back of the Anafi controller, you've got a standard full-sized USB port. You've also got the smaller Type-C USB as well, so it doesn't matter what kind of cable you use. So as you can see there on the actual smartphone screen, you see a direct feed to the drone's camera, so you can see exactly what it sees. You launch it simply by pressing this little button here, so just tap that and then, whoa, off it goes! Whee! So the Parrot Anafi, of course, has a 4K HDR camera mounted there on the front with 3-axis stabilization. You've got full 180 degrees vertical rotation as well, which you can manually control if you like using the left trigger. Otherwise, you can basically tell the Anafi to follow a person or an object, and it will stay tracked on that object even if it's flying around. You can also shoot photos in flight as well with full manual controls if you need them. And there are all kinds of funky cinematic style effects as well. You've got up to 4 times slow motion, shot at 720p, and you've also got time lapse as well if you want a nice sped up shot instead. You expect plenty of cinematic options as well, such as the dolly zoom, and a panorama mode will be coming at the end of November apparently. The Anafi is actually fairly intuitive to control. This is the first drone I piloted in a couple of years and I picked it up no problem. Most of that grunt work can be fully automated, which is definitely a relief. Using the GPS feature, you can basically get it to fly around wherever you want it to. So that in a nutshell is the Parrot Anafi Extended Edition. It's available for £729 here in the UK. Given that the batteries themselves normally cost 90 quid each, it's definitely well worth picking up if you plan on taking the Anafi out and about all day long, especially as you get that really funky carry case with it. So let us know what you think in the comments down below, and don't forget to bash subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech. Cheers everyone, love you!